Hhayi ke ngiyangena kuThinder ngihlomile ngiphelele ngizingovolo ngiready ngizitshele kahle ukuthi angikho desperate angizange ukuzofuna umjolo serious la ngoba vele already ngiphume entweni eserious engishise ngashashi ngisasha futhi and ngisahila njengoba ngisahila namanje njengoba I was saying to you ukuthi ngizilele bonke abafazi who are going through something and I've recently started going through my post what so nje these days I'm going to therapy. I'm reliving that moment one more time so that I can actually bury it again for the last time and move on completely. Sengazi ukuthi even if uNkulunkulu kuthiwa uyanginikeza ithuba lokuthi ungilethele ikhehlanyana nje Nkosi yami elishonelwe umfazi labamba amamiliyoni o-life cover ezimpesheni, ngiyazi ukuthi ngizoya kulona inhliziyo yami isimhlophe senginalo uthando yabo. Hayi ngingene-ke kuThinder mangingena kuThinder ngihlomile ngizingovolo ngiready as I've mentioned I'm not desperate ngiyodlala ngiyofuna nje abangane ngiyokhuluma ngiyoxoxa ngiyokhipha i-stress basically. Hey uThinder becomes my best friend now mangiphuma emsebenzini on a Friday afternoon sengilangazelela ukuyongena kuThinder siyakhuluma la and I want to tell you guys ukuthi mina kuThinder I met so many amazing humans. And ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi ngangeke ngithi ngiqeda ukugilwa umshado womXhosa bese ngiya kuThinder ngiyofuna umXhosa. Ngangeke ngithi Zulu guys ngiwabona everyday namaSotho guys lapha emsebenzini ngoba phela ngangise-UJ ngiphinde namavenda ngiphinde ngiyobuyela kona angilitholanga yini ivenda ngalithola angimtholanga yini umSotho maybe not umZulu yes ngamthola umZulu kodwa okubalekile ngangizitshelile ukuthi angiyanga kodlala nezingane langalimbe kwelinye lamalanga lika swipe left lika swipe right into engangiyi-enjoy mina guys kakhulu ngangi-enjoy ukungena ama-DMs ngikhulume nabantu and I was lying angifuni ukuqamba amanga I was lying about a lot of things I was lying about where I was working because nangesikhathi umntwana engicreate-ele profile wangitshela afakanga amagama amangempela I think I was just Z. I was lying about where I was working. I was lying about my relationships. Ngangiyinto ekwi-relationship ekwi-ICU ngangingasho ukuthi ngisingile ngibuya kwi-divorce. Ngangingalikhulumi nje ngangingasho futhi ukuthi ngisebenzaphi. Those were the three things that I made sure ukuthi I'm protecting myself with. Ngangingayikhiphi yonke information. Hence abahlungeka basala with an intention of knowing ukuthi they are dealing with umuntu who is unemployed because that was me. I was telling them I'm unemployed. They were dealing with somebody nje ongena direction nje in life. They were dealing with somebody ongena income. So ngicabanga ukuthi ukwenza kwami kanjalo kwangisize ezintweni eziningi ngoba vele ngangiyitshelile ukuthi Nigerians ngidlaleli ngalapha. Kodwa lalela ke akwenzeke ngelinye lamalanga ngithi swipe left ngithi ngiyafika kunenqwaba yama-DMs from a white guy ngithi hey dasha wangena wazithela msobhetswayini there is a white guy in my DMs ngahamba ngaphuma ngayongena kwi-profile yakhe ngaphuma ngabuka a white guy hayi ngiqale ngimzibe for the first few days angifuni phela ukuzenza desperate angithi angikho desperate mina hayi ngimzibe about a week ngikhulume nabanye engangibona ukuthi bayadlala ngichitha isizungu ngabo hayi ngiphinde ngibuye futhi nangu umfana womlungu usakhona khona la awumfana la kanti ufunani hayi sihambe isikhathi ngize ngiresponde emfaneni sikhulume nomfana umfana is ngangimbiza Tonton he was Antonius igama lakhe from Germany hayi siyakhuluma noTonton up until azangitshele-ke ukuthi kuze kufike isikhathi la ngitshela khona ukuthi he's got in 3 weeks time he's going to be in South Africa siyaxoxa nje izinto eziningi asikawophumeli ko-WhatsApp siyaxoxa nje yonke into kumnandi kuyale naye angimtshelile ukuthi ngubani wakabani ngidivosile ngiyasebenza ngenzani but nje what I liked about uguy ukuthi wayengezanga naye ngalowo mqondo wokuthi well ake ngithi he was not one of the scammers because I had learned ukuwasimela ama-scammers from a distance ukuthi I lo swipe right delete ngiblock ngiphume kuloyo muntu loyo so athi umfana womlungu in 3 weeks time uzobe se-South Africa angafisa ukuconnecta nami, mhlampe ngimbonise izindawo. He only knows Cape Town in South Africa because he's got friends there, and he at some point wayene-girlfriend eyayihlala khona e-Cape Town, so uyayazi Cape Town kancane kodwa akayazi the rest of South Africa. And uma kabuya next time ufuna ukuba seDurban because umngani wakhe recently bought lokhunjana indawo eDurban, is investing in some property, and naye ufuna ukuyibona leyo ndawo because he also wants to invest in property in Durban. Angibuze-ke, hawu iTheku indawo enjani? Kuyena ngithe ngiseThekwini, angisho ngithi ngiseJoburg. Hawu iTheku indawo enjani? Hayi ngimchazele Durban, oh I'm originally from the lower South Coast in KZN. iTheku indawo ekanje kanje kanje, ngimchazele ngimtshela ukuthi hayi khululeka, mawufika nje wena, you've got a super tour guide for free in your back. That's got your back. Hhayi-ke la ngempela ushawa 3 weeks umfana-ke angitshele ukuthi mesefikile e-South Africa-ke uzongicela ukuthi anganginikezi le number ayisebenzisayo at the time. Ngoba vele mekafika eza ngapha izongasebenzi because yabo akanayo i-access to Wi-Fi nani, uzofika athenge ikhadi mekafika ngala, then uyonginikeza lo sim card, inamba yalo sim card. Nangempela sishaya isikhathi leso, angi-DM umfana, nawa ama-numbers wami, kwathini, this is how you're gonna get hold of me, kwathini. Ngaleso sikhathi mina, remember ukuthi mina after my divorce ngihlale e-UJ I think for 1 year, and then ngase ngidecide ukubuyela e-KZN. Ngaleso sikhathi vele nami sengibuyele eThekwini full time, ngibuye ngize eThekwini. Mangifika eThekwini angimtshelanga ukuthi sengibuya ngize eThekwini vele nami full time. Ngenhlanhla-ke ngangingawufuni umsebenzi ngesikhathi ngiseThekwini, kodwa somebody shared my CV with one of the institutions of higher learning. They were looking for there's something in higher education esiyibiza ngama-independent contractors, whereby you lecture part time, you do develop, mhlampe ubhala lokhunja usetha ama-assessment, ubhala ama-study guides and all those things, you do all of that part time. So they were looking for that person in my field. So kwenzeka ukuthi ngesikhathi yabo mawuxoxa nomunye umuntu omaziyo ukuthi hayi sengingala and I'm not working, if there is something. Futhi nakhona nje ngangixoxe ngingekho serious because ngangisayini la nto ukuthi ngifuna i-break. There's a lot that is happening in my life and I want a break. So mangifuna leyo break kanjalo-ke kwawukuthi ngizithola ngila, and ngoyixoxa leyo ndaba ngelinye ilanga. So afike umfana-ke eThekwini-ke angitshele after a week esekhona, angitshela ukuthi usefikile nama-details, ufikele endaweni ewukuthi kanje. So uma efika mina sengiqalile laphaya e-IIE, ngiya part time khona. So vele nginaso sonke isikhathi because le nto engiyenza laphaya ngiyababhalela nje ama-study guides, ama-assessments wakhona wasetha kanye ngonyaka, and I've got classes engiwafundisayo. Kodwa ama-classes wakhona they are very flexible, kangangokuthi uyawashintsha ngisho ukwashintsha uma ungekho available. But ngiyakhumbula ukuthi mina ngangingena, I think ngangingena 10 times a week, if I'm not mistaken, 10 or 12 times a week. Kodwa nje ama-classes wakhona aye-flexible. Hhayi-ke mesefikile-ke day 1, ngiyakhumbula day 1 wathi-ke ucela ukungibona ntontoni, asho nanokuthi ukephi-ke. Then-ke sahamba-ke, we went an 8 out, sadla e-Ocean Basket, sathi ufuna ukuzama e-Ocean Basket, akaza adle e-Ocean Basket. So angibuze ukuthi kudayiswa ini, what kind of a seafood restaurant is that? Ngisho ngithi hayi, just basic seafood nje, loko kwaziyo nawe mhlampe probably even in an international level, because they've got everything, ama-salmons, and ngichazela ukuthi hayi, no, it sounds nice, let's go there. And then we went there. Sifike-ke sidle khona-ke, siya-connecta-ke. That's only when that was the first time he got to learn ukuthi kahle ngikuphi umkhakha profession wise. That's the first time I open up to him, ngoba sengibona nami ukuthi hayi umuntu lo uyaphila mos. Hhayi-ke saxoxa sakhuluma-ke, ngahamba-ke ngigoduka for that day-ke. Wayezohlala la e-South Africa for 6 months because wayefuna ukuthenga i-property, futhi wayefuna noku-establisha. Wangitshela ukuthi wayekade ngixolile nje vele ukuthi une company that produces izinto zobuso zabantu besifazane, yabona zonke o-cellulite nani. So he was talking to a friend of his, or a friend of his is helping him to establish a branch in South Africa, and he will probably need other people abangamsiza when he's establishing this, because ufuna ukuyenza ibe something a work from home from those people, so they will work in their own flexible times. Apparently in Germany into zo work from home kwase kuyinto ejwayelekile. Ngikhumbula ukuthi lento le into ya pre-COVID, ya before COVID. So thina work from home eSouth Africa siwujwayele. Kodwa we do understand ukuthi abantu abakwa-sales, they are very flexible, they are always on the road. So wayefuna-ke ukuthi abantu-ke abasebenza kuyena, because ngeke abe nama-offices immediately. Ufuna abantu abazosebenza flexible hours and work in their own way, ngendlela yabo, and only just report nje phika isikhathi sokureporta nani nani. Okay, fine. Hhayi kube mnandi-ke, umfana siya-connect-a. Siya-connect-a noHitler omncane, all the way from Germany. Hhayi sihambe isikhathi, siya-connect-a nomfana. Kuthi about a month efikile sihloko siyenza lento, siyakhiphana nje, siyaxoxa kuyale. Angicela ukuthi he wants to see another side of South Africa. Ubone a beautiful game resort in Hluhluwe, somewhere in St. Lucia. Do I mind yini ukuhamba naye for a week? Siye lapho. Mind you, siyakhuluma, siyaxoxa. Into yethu is more of a friendship than umjolo. Kodwa each and every time uma sihlukana makade sixoxa nje uyangicabuza mncwa on the lips, and ukukhonze kakhulu nokucabuza isiphongo lesi. Isiphongo sami isikhulu nje sasesifile wokiss bakhe. Khonze nama-hugs. Akayijahange yomjolo nani. Okay, fine. Siqhubeke-ke sihambe isikhathi kanjalo. Uma sihamba isikhathi yenzeka yonke-ke le mikhuba-ke, sigcine sivumelana ukuthi hhayi, kulungile, ngizohamba naye ukuya la athakiwe khona. Okay? Sizohamba siye eHluhluwe lapho-ke. A couple of days before siya lapho, that was when umuntu wakhona was like, kinda like, is making moves ukuthi umuntu-ke manje engazukuthi ufuna sizame some kind of a relationship. Like he started asking imibuzo serious, are you seeing someone, and all of those things. Ngilandele ku-part 3 ngizokuxoxela ukuthi kwenzakalani eHluhluwe.